Hi everyone, I'm Amy. Today I'm making apple coleslaw. This is an easy side dish that combines coleslaw mix, apples, craisins, and walnuts in a delicious dressing. So let's get started. Roughly chop enough walnuts to make a half a cup and then set them aside. In a large bowl, add 2/3 cup of mayonnaise, a half a cup of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Now whisk this together until it's well combined. Then add 2 medium to large apples chopped. Stir this together well. Then add 1 16-ounce package of coleslaw mix, or you can make your own using a small head of cabbage. A half a cup of craisins, and your half a cup of roughly chopped walnuts. Now just stir this together until everything is well combined. And here it is, apple coleslaw. This is a great side dish for picnics, barbecues, or any time. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on social media at Amy Lynn's Kitchen. And walnuts in a delicious dressing. And here it is, apple coleslaw. Apple oh man, I didn't want to say coleslaw. Apple coleslaw.